Alright, here we are back with another Conduit tutorial. Next thing that we're going to look at is adding a panel. So over here, again, just like when we added the switchboard, you can hit the little plus button in the top right of the page, and that will bring up your list of equipment that can be added into the project. There, under the distribution subheading, we have switchboard, which we've already added, the switchboard MS, and then we have panel. So we're going to add a panel, tap on that piece of equipment there, and it's going to bring up the panel questionnaire. We can name this panel. We're going to call it something really generic like PP1. We can select the phase wire distribution, which is going to be 3-phase, 4-wire, 277, 480 volt Y. And then we can select how the main works. So it's either a main lug, a main breaker, or a main fuse switch. We're going to say it's a main breaker, and we're going to add that piece of equipment. So add panel. This is going to bring us back out to the project page, and you can see we've got these three pieces of equipment kind of floating in space. The next thing that we're going to be doing is going into what we're calling the context menu, which is out here, but that'll be in the next video. So we've got a panel, a switchboard, and a utility connection.